The city pulses with neon lights, where mechanical rhythms replace the heartbeat of nature. No flowers, no trees, only cold metal and data. Spherical robots glide silently, scanning the streets. The moment they detect traces of nature, they eliminate them without hesitation. Yet, in a forgotten corner, a tiny bud blooms, emitting a gentle glow, whispering softly to the world. The flower unfolds, and a tiny figure emerges. Rubbing her eyes, she gazes curiously at this strange world. She steps cautiously onto the metallic ground, and with each step a touch of green spreads, bringing a miracle of life. In a city devoid of plants, Ivan secretly nurtures a small sprout, his last belief in nature. When he stumbles upon Lilian, his eyes widen in shock, while she shyly peeks at him from behind the flowers. "Don't be afraid. I won't hurt you," Ivan whispers. Lilian hesitates, then slowly reaches out to touch his hand. Curious, she snatches Ivan's goggles and puts them on. She looks adorably silly, making Ivan burst into laughter. But the silence is shattered by the blaring alarms of the robotic enforcers. They have detected Lilian, their red lights flashing with warning. Standing at the heart of the city, she closes her eyes, releasing her final power. A warm golden light ripples through the city like a wave. One by one, the robots halt. A question arises in their programming. Are these flowers truly a threat? From the city's core, a massive tree bursts forth, its branches spreading, bringing the first true shade to this cold metropolis. Gently, he cradles the exhausted Lilian, whispering, "We did it." Years later, the city has changed. Nature and technology coexist. Lilian sits atop a tree branch, smiling at this new world.